I had a question from my student about caring for her violin in winter. The violin likes the humidity in between 40 to 60%. Not too dry, not too humid. I highly recommend checking your hygrometer regularly. In general, my room gets very dry in winter and I need to provide more humidity. There are 3 easy ways I can share in this video. 1. Use a humidifier. Make sure the violin doesn't get wet from the steam. Number 2. Use a dampit. Moisten the sponge inside the dampit. Pat dry it well. Put it inside one of the F holes on the violin. Number 3. Use a humidifier in your case. Fill up the water, make sure the lid is tight, put it in your case. I have heard from a luthier that a humid environment is often considered to be very bad for violin, but actually dryness is even more dangerous and it could cause crack and seam opening and sorts. And these repairs can be costly. Let's give your violin some love by providing a nice care in winter, and I'm sure your violin will love you back. Happy playing!